The Tesla Model S eliminates traditional keys, making starting the vehicle seamless and secure. To start, firmly press the brake pedal while seated. This activates the 12 volts battery and all necessary systems. The touchscreen will then prompt you to shift into drive using either the touchscreen interface or the steering wheel paddles. Authentication is handled via the Tesla app, key fob, or phone key using NFC technology. A simple brake press or door handle touch instantly wakes the car from sleep mode, getting you ready to drive. To completely power off your Model S, shift into park, engage the parking brake, and simply exit the vehicle. For an extra layer of assurance, you can also use the touchscreen, navigate to controls, then safety and security, and select power off. This ensures all systems are fully deactivated, preventing any potential battery drain. This feature is useful when storing your car for extended periods. Sleep mode is a low-power state activated after 30 to 60 minutes of inactivity. This duration is configurable in your settings. In sleep mode, the car dims the screen, disables non-essential electronics, and enters a hibernation-like state to conserve battery. According to Tesla's data, sleep mode consumes less than 0.1 kilowatt-hours per day. Sensors remain active for security, but the car isn't fully shut down. A brake press, door opening, or app interaction will wake it. The Model S's adaptive sleep mode significantly reduces battery drain. A case study highlighted a Model S owner who saved enough energy for an extra 20 miles of range during a week-long road trip thanks to reduced battery drain while parked. Such real-world examples demonstrate the effectiveness of this technology for maximizing range and minimizing energy waste. Tesla's power management aligns with the EV industry's shift toward energy-optimized vehicles. The rise of V2G technology allows Model S units to contribute to grid stability during off-peak hours. Tesla has reported a 15% increase in user opt-ins for these features. By 2030, Tesla aims to integrate sleep mode with full autonomy, enabling vehicles to self-park and enter ultra-low power states indefinitely. Elon Musk has described sleep mode as evolving into a core feature for EVs, making them more like smart homes on wheels. According to Tesla's Q4 2025 earnings, over 1.2 million Model S units worldwide utilize updated sleep protocols, contributing to a 12% year-over-year increase in battery longevity. A 2026 survey by J.D. Power found that 87% of Tesla owners rank power controls as a top reason for repurchase. If your Model S doesn't start, ensure your phone key is active and the Tesla app is running. If sleep mode isn't activating, check your power-saving settings in the touchscreen menu. Understanding and utilizing these power features ensures your Model S operates efficiently and reliably, making the most of its advanced technology. Remember to keep your Tesla app updated for the latest features and improvements.